Hey guys, in this lesson, let's look at MP3 module expansion package. 4-pin wire, MP3 module, Lego blocks back, screw back. Now take out all accessories. You can find that MP3 module comes with an SD card and the required audio materials has been downloaded into SD card. You can assemble it directly. If you format your SD card by mistake, you can copy the file by yourself because the audio files were saved in the provided tutorial. Now assemble your MP3 module on Lego blocks. The assembled two holes are here. Place MP3 module on Lego blocks and fix it with screws and nuts. Then tie them with screwdriver. The remaining two holes are used for inserting bolts. Now connect 4-pin wire. Do not forcefully insert the wire because it is any reverse plug. Well, MP3 module has been assembled completely. We just need to assemble it on rubber card. Insert MP3 module into these two holes. Please pay attention to the direction of MP3 module. Connect 4-pin wire to number 6 port. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please keep watching the following video.